Oh, look at him go. Oh, clashing antlers. Who says animals don't play? Oh, he poked him in the bum. Now that's awesome. And this is just my front yard. I live right there, yo. Right in that white building there. Oh. You guys having fun or what? Should this go on Facebook? I don't know. I don't usually post about my personal life on Facebook. But you damn dare deers, you're interesting. Oh, look at you go again, eh? Just putting on a little show. Just be careful, guys. You could put an eye out or something. That's awesome. You don't usually see the bucks. Well, as much as I'd like to film you all day, guys, I think you perceive me to be no threat, being as how I'm, I don't know, 15 feet away. That's awesome. Just be careful, guys. You're gonna hurt each other. Oh, he's had enough. And so have I, personally.